Next, we'll be talking about our text tool group. It is the 5th tool group up from the bottom of the toolbar, shortcut T. And what the text tool allows you to do is overlay text on top of your image. So there's two ways to go about this. The first is to just click where you want your text to start, and then type whatever it is you want your text to say. I'm going to go ahead and cancel this box. Or you can click and drag to create a text box that your text will conform to. Let's go ahead and hit check. And now you notice we have our text up here in the sky. You can move it around as you would any other layer. You can also come back in with your text tool selected and edit it as you would on a normal Word document program. Up here, you'll notice some pretty common settings. The only one that's kind of weird is this first one. It flips the orientation of the text so that it goes up to down, right to left, instead of being horizontal left to right. The other options are your font. So you can pick your font family here, your font modifications here, the size of your font, just more options. And then you can also change it to justify right, left, or center, just real standard Word document options. You can type your text. You can make it warped, so you can arc it, change the bend, things like that. I'm going to cancel. You can change the color. And you can also convert your text into a 3D layer, which I'm not going to get into right now. So just go ahead, hit check again. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and delete this layer. Next up, we have our vertical type tool, which is the exact same as the horizontal type tool, only you type vertically, obviously. Go ahead and cancel that. And then we also have our vertical type mask tools and our horizontal type mask tools. And these are the exact same as the original tools, the normal horizontal text. The only difference is that your letters will appear as masks. So selection areas, let's type a little bit bigger so you can kind of see what happens. So your letters appear as selection areas instead of as physical letters on top of your image. So if you were to just try and print this, nothing would happen. Well, we deleted the selection area right there. We moved it. But these dotted waving lines aren't actually going to show up when you export. It's more so you could do something like, say, color letters or create clipping masks or something of that nature. We'll go ahead and deselect. And that does it for our type tool group.